Casa Paladar Culinary Space by apda on Paula de Alba plus IUA Ignacio Urquiza Arquitectos in CIUDAD de Mexico, Mexico. The kitchen has evolved over the years to become a social and dynamic space, a place where everyone feels comfortable, both those who cook and those who enjoy the food. Over time, we have valued its functionality, but now we also appreciate its design, as we want to make the most of this neural center where we go to feed ourselves, share, and accompany whoever is cooking. Casa Paladar is a culinary space where prominent figures from the global gastronomic scene such as Daniela Soto Innes, Elena Regatas, Virgilio Martinez, and Julian Royer, among others, share their talent and creativity. It is located in the heart of Mexico City, on the ground floor of a building built in the 1960s in the Condesa neighborhood. The project is based on the rehabilitation of a space that, after multiple interventions, lost its character and functionality. Returning it to its original state was practically impossible and required more effort than necessary. We then thought of a light and flexible space that could easily change scale and unlink the user from the existing building and the external context, in order to connect with the main objective of the project, coexistence and culinary experience. The focus of the remodeling was to carry out an intervention with a unique gesture that completely embraced the space. The result is so flexible that it allows for events of different scales and themes, whether it be an intimate dinner for 15 guests, an event for 45 people, a cocktail party, a celebration, or a press conference. Regardless of the event format, the space adapts to create an open or closed environment, depending on the weather conditions and the client's needs. To achieve this necessary versatility and lightness, curtains were used as the enveloping and central element of the project. Thanks to this component, the possibilities of transforming different spaces within the place are multiplied. As for the materials, a simple and sober approach was chosen. A light and subtly transparent fabric was selected as the main material, which is complemented by the abundant vegetation of the interior courtyard and the green Tikal marble floors and benches. A cold and clean contrast was introduced in the kitchen, where both the furniture and the equipment and walls were covered with stainless steel. The furniture was designed and made of natural oak, specifically for this project. The use of this material not only provides timeless beauty to the space but also brings a feeling of warmth and durability that integrates harmoniously into the project. On the facade, we reconfigured the access and changed the door to a stainless steel gate. This simple gesture allowed us to round out the discourse from start to finish, the feeling that you enter and exit a kitchen. Casa Paladar represents the architectural and interior design vision that transforms the kitchen into a versatile, welcoming, and elegant space, where functionality and aesthetics come together to offer a unique gastronomic experience.